And good day, welcome to the Hyt channel. Today we will be having a look at the Hyt Tc610 portable radio. Now this is an analog radio and it has been out for quite a while. I am actually surprised that it is still on the market and they have not discontinued it. In this case, this is a VHF model. You can see it does the whole split, 136 to 174 megs. And it is type approved for use in South Africa. Yeah, comes in a very nice recycled box. And let's have a look inside. So inside we obviously have the booklet, the charger, adapter, and the charger cradle, the battery, belt clip, and the radio itself. There is a little carry strap in there like all the Chinese products have, and of course in this case the antenna. Well, let's have a look at each of these items individually. The radio, the battery, it seems, they have sealed fairly neatly. There you go. And as we can see, this is a BL1204. It is a 1200 milliampere hour battery, 7.4 volts. And you can see the clip is on the battery itself. Okay. The antenna, it seems, is very Hyt looking with the marking on top, and I see it is an SMA antenna. It also has the whole split. It does the whole split on VHF. As mentioned before, the antenna is a removable SMA adapter, which you can use an external antenna with. So if you find you're driving in convoy, maybe you can have an external antenna connected to get extra range. The radio itself, I do like the belt clip arrangement on this, as mentioned before, because it's on the chassis. You don't have the risk that the belt clip will break out of the battery and you could lose your radio. There is also the belt clip doesn't latch onto the chassis though. The belt clip or the latch, the battery latch, is not onto the chassis. It is in actual fact onto the battery. I don't like this design specifically because it can easily break if the device is dropped. So if the device is dropped, you could have a crack in the battery and the latch can fall out, thus putting the radio in danger. However, I do like the belt clip design that is on the chassis itself. And as we are talking about the belt clip, I can see it does not have the edge that comes right around all the way. Slightly negative point there, but it is a steel clip. But the biggest part of the belt clip is actually plastic. But yes, a positive point that the belt clip is actually on the chassis and not on the battery itself. I do like that. Obviously you have the place for the carry strap there. And as far as I remember, this radio is quite a few years old, and judging off the type approval number, this radio has been around for quite a while. In fact, the TA number of this device is 2017, so it is at least 4 years old. Yeah, it has an IP rating, I think, of IP67. I am not sure. It is a submersible radio as far as I can remember. I will just put the description in below. of the actual rating, but this is what makes this device so nice. It is a decent rating for for dust as well as water resistance. It fits nice in the hand without the belt clip. Of course, it fits very nice. Two side buttons, the PDT button, which seems to be an integral part of the radio itself. I do not know if that part is replaceable, but that is a hard plastic, that is rubber. So certainly there could be a chance that you can break the PDT knob itself and then maybe need to be replaced. But I think you can replace that part, I'm not sure. On the side we have the speaker and the mic accessories, which is covered by a nice dust clip, dust cover, and it has a retaining screw in there that will have your audio accessory snugly fitted in there, thus reducing the chance to wear the connector out. If we switch the device on, what I can immediately see is there is a slightly raised edge there. So should the radio fall, because of the thicker part of the antenna, chances that something like that will happen is very scarce. And they do have a raised edge there. So I think that the chances that one of these knobs will get damaged is very slight. Okay, let's move on to the actual charger. The charger, I can imagine, is a CH10A03. It's a 1000 milliamp hour charger that will charge this battery in maybe just over an hour, hour and a half. It has an input of 12 volts, and as I can see, it has a standard connector. Now once again, I like this because it allows you to make a car charger from this by just maybe cutting it in two and doing an adapter for your vehicle, which makes it easy to travel with. The device itself seems to fit fairly easy. It sits fairly snug in there, and let's see how it does when I plug it in. And my test that I do like to see, yes, the light flashes to show you that there is some power present. It'll continue flashing. I do like that. So without anything happening, you immediately know that the device is switched on, that the transformer is working, and you do have mains supply there. That is a good thing. Some of the other manufacturers do not do this. There's no indication when you plug the device in, so it makes fault finding very difficult. Putting the radio in there, fairly easy. It comes on constant red, showing that it's charging, and I suppose it'll go to green once it's full. Yes, I do like this device. It is not entry level by no means. It is a bit more upper tier than your normal entry level device, but then again you get a nice premium device. This is an analog device, so I would imagine or predict that this will be phased out within the next few years to come. It has a nice fit to it. It has a distinctive orange sides to it, so you can recognize this device anyway. Yes, it fits snugly in my hand. Long antenna, very long, but the thick base actually makes it sturdy and strong. Something I forgot to mention is that it has a receive light and a transmit light there, and yes. Thank you for watching. Be sure to comment and send any questions, suggestions, comments on the link below, on the comments below, and I will certainly get back to you on that. Or if you do have any suggestions, you can pop me a line. Be sure to like, subscribe, and forward this. Thanks for watching.